The world has changed, and so have networks. They're more complex, connected, and dynamic than ever before. Customer expectations have soared. Downtime is no longer an option. Customers demand faster, better, and more feature-rich services. Competition is fierce, driving down prices. You need to meet these challenges and ensure your customers are happy. However, traditional assurance systems can no longer keep up. How do you exceed customer expectations while maintaining your competitive edge? For decades, operators have relied on the same techniques and technologies to assure networks and services. However, these systems are reaching their limits, leading to high costs, data overload, and increased complexity. Today's networks generate more data than ever before, making it difficult to sift through and find actionable insights. The rise of virtualized and cloud networks adds another layer of complexity, demanding real-time analysis and response. Maintaining outdated systems is expensive and requires constant updates, complex integrations, and skilled personnel. It's time for a change. Blue Planet Assurance, or BPA, provides a modern approach to meeting these challenges. Modernizing assurance means taking advantage of new concepts, functionality, and architecture to meet today's challenges, and we can help. Whether you're looking for a unified view of complex end-to-end services across multiple domains and network layers in a single pane of glass, real-time discovery and visualization of IP and MPLS paths to understand how routing behavior affects service delivery, or the ability to detect network faults before they happen, Blue Planet Assurance unlocks the true potential of your networks. Leveraging our experience using proven AI and machine learning capabilities, designed for closed-loop automation use cases, and built on a common cloud-native platform, BPA enables you to modernize your assurance and operate with intelligence to stay ahead of your competitors and keep your customers delighted.